Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials and clearing temporary blockers. First, switch to a wired connection if possible. This reduces packet loss and jitter. Once done, clear Clipchamp's cache and your browser cache, then restart the app to remove corrupted temporary files. Make sure to close background apps that chew CPU or GPU cycles because Clipchamp needs free resources. Finally, relaunch your project and test playback to see if buffering decreases before moving to deeper optimizations. You now change settings that directly affect processing load. Reduce the preview resolution to 720p or 480p so playback uses less decoding power, and enable proxy files or transcode large MXF/HEV clips to H.264 to simplify real-time rendering. Once proxies are active, remove or disable expensive effects like noise reduction and 3D transforms, and consolidate or mute unused timeline tracks. These steps you finish by securing stable hardware and export settings. Test hardware acceleration, turn it on if your GPU is supported, but turn it off if it introduces stutter. Make sure to test both because driver compatibility varies. Export with H.264 video and AAC audio using a reasonable bitrate for your resolution to avoid export-induced buffering on playback. If problems persist, update GPU and network drivers. Reinstall Clipchamp and run a fresh project. This often resolves hidden corruption or compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.